Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the dock whip and the attached line. You need a clean splice and a free swiveling clip so the line won't jam. Once done, attach a 1/2 line to the whip end and hold the whip at about chest height. This gives reach and control. Move the crew to the bow, prepare the fenders, and approach the slip at a slow crawl. This reduces momentum and lets you extend the whip accurately when you're alongside. You extend the whip toward the cleat or piling, aiming slightly lower than the top edge so the hook can catch under load. This prevents the whip from slipping off. Once the hook seats, feed the line through the cleat eye and pull a moderate bite to take tension. This secures the boat without sudden jerks. Make sure the engine is in neutral but available for tiny thrusts. If the whip misses, you can nudge back and try again. Don't panic, repeat smoothly. You transfer the load from the whip to the dock line by taking up slack with controlled tugs while someone on the dock cleats the line. This prevents shock loads and protects fittings. Once the line holds, coil any excess neatly and finish with a cleat hitch. Make sure the boat sits level and strain is even on bow and stern. If the line slips, lower the whip, reset the hook, or use a backup line. Alternatively, a momentary slow reverse thrust can...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.